Okay, good afternoon, class. So today we're looking at geometry after your long holiday. Okay. So we're on page 12. Okay, let's just get everything. So now we're going to look at geometry of 2D shapes. So at this point we went through some of the rules, and at this point you guys have completed this exercise already, not so? Okay. So the question says calculate the size of the unknown angles indicated by the Greek symbols. And the lowercase letters. So in the first case, how are we going to solve for y here? Sum of triangles. So what do we write here? Y plus 66 equals 180y. Sum of triangles. And it's triangle ABC. Do I have to say this part here? No. So y is equal to 180 minus 82, which is 98, minus 66. And what's on 98 minus 66? 32 degrees. Is there any confusion here? No? Now we normally have a reference. I'm going to pause this quickly. Okay, so all sorted out. So you're on page 11. So how do we solve for y? Sorry, w. W plus 65 plus 32 is equal to 180 degrees. Y? Sum of triangles in this triangle, PQ. Okay. Any confusion? Why is it called it down at the back? Hi, we got a celebrity. Nice seeing you, my girl. W is equal to 180 minus 32. Gives us an answer of 83. You all agree with that? Is there any confusion? No. Okay. Look at the next question. C. So if you're looking at angle E, there's no degrees given there. But this symbolizes what? 90 degrees. Okay. So what do we say? 60 plus 90 plus y is equal to 180. Why? Sum of triangles. In this triangle, DE. Or you can write interior angles of a triangle, or many things you can write. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we now say y is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 60, which is 30 degrees. You also with me?
Yes, sir.
Let's look at the next one. D. We've got x, 125 and 25. So what do we do here? X plus 125 degrees plus equals 180. Why? Sum of triangle. This triangle ABC. So x equal to 180 minus 25, which is 30 degrees. You all okay with that? Alright. Look at E. I'm going to solve for x. Sum of triangles again. X plus 45 degrees plus equals sum of triangle. And it's triangle CAB. Or ABC or BCA or ABC or whatever. Okay. So I get x on its own and take then 180 minus 45 minus 25. What's 180 minus 45 minus 25? 110 degrees. Okay. Looking at F. So here's two ways of doing it. Okay, I can either calculate angle BCA first and then go with angles on the straight line, or I can just apply the rule that I exposed you guys to like in the last lesson. What did we do? We said exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Not so. So what do we say? X is equal to 43 degrees plus 73 degrees. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Fairly long reason, not so. So what is it? The exterior angle of a triangle, which means to say it's the outside angle, is equal to the sum of, what does that mean to take the sum? I must add it. The sum of the two interior, inside the triangle, the two interior opposite angles. Can you see that, people? Again, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay, is there any confusion? Alright. So in other words, x is equal to 116. 116 degrees. Okay. We're still on page 11. We're on page 12 now. Right. So this is also one of those cases, not so? So again, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite. Okay, so what do I write? Y is equal to 74 degrees plus 66. The reason? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite. Okay. So that will be y is equal to 140. 140 degrees. See any confusion there? Okay. Next, H. So we can either say B2, but B2 is also X. Can you see that, people? If you wanted, you can calculate it A1, B1 first, and then X plus B1 is 180 angles on the straight line. But of course, it's much more easier by saying your exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay. So what do we say? X is equal to 47 plus 68. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles of the triangle. So X is simply 115 degrees. 115 degrees. Okay. I again, this is one of those cases. Not so. So we can say the exterior angle, which is Z, is equal to 45 degrees plus 75 degrees. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay. So Z is equal to 120 degrees. Okay. Let's look at J. This is also that case where the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite. Not so. So we can say Y is equal to 64 degrees plus 69. Y, exterior angle of triangle, is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angle of triangle. Okay. So what is that? Y is equal to 133. 133 degrees. Okay. The next one. That's again the same rule being applied here, not so? So what can we say here? Beta is equal to 120 plus 20 degrees. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay. The outside angle is equal to the sum of the two angles on the opposite, the inside, but the opposite to that. Okay. This is your adjacent. That is now your opposite. So your beta is equal to 140 degrees. Okay. Sorry? Why 40?
Oh, sorry, sir.
Okay. We're still on page 12?
Yes.
Here we're calculating x and y. Lots of two unknowns. So what are we going to calculate first? X. Okay. Now you're going to calculate x. Sum of triangles. Okay. So I'm going to say 31 degrees plus x plus 282 is equal to 180. Why? Sum of triangles. And it's triangle ABC. So x is equal to 180 minus 22 minus 31, which is 127. So how do you calculate y? Angles on a straight line. So you can say y plus 127 is equal to 180, straight line, or exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Not so? any one of the two will give you the full mark. Okay. So you say y is equal to 31 plus 22 because its exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So y is equal to 53 degrees. Or as I said, you could have said y plus 127 is equal to 180. Straight line. Then y is equal to 180 minus 127, which is 53. Which one of the two you think you're going to get more marks for? They're the same. So both is going to be full marks. Okay? So whichever method you apply, as long as you're applying something mathematical and you're not making up your own stories, okay? You're going to get the full mark. Okay? People M. What do you notice here now? X on the inside. Not so? So what do we say here? Exterior angles equal to the sum of the two interior. Okay, yes, Michael. You're on page 30. Okay, thank you. So what do we do here? We say 30 degrees is equal to x plus 3. Why? Because that's exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. So x is equal to 30 minus 20, which is 10 degrees. Okay. You guys understand? N. Are you going to calculate this one? Again, you can work out exterior angles equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. You guys understand? The more you do it, the easier it becomes to spot it in the diagrams. Okay. So 150 degrees is equal to Z plus 80. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Okay. That is your symbol for angles or angle. Okay. This is sum. Okay. This is triangle. Okay. So Z is equal to 150 minus 80, which is 70 degrees. Okay. Is there any confusion? Huh? Okay, so we're looking at O now. Okay? Just put the light off here, let's see. Okay. Thank you, leave it off. Okay. So in O, you all agree it's the same rule going to apply there. Not so? The same rule is going to be applied here. So what would it be? 145 degrees is equal to 100 plus xy. Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite Okay. That's going to be x is equal to 145 minus 100 degrees, which is 45 degrees. Okay. B. Is the same rule being applied? This is the symbol theta. Theta. So, what is x plus x? 2x. So, what's theta plus theta? 2 theta. What's alpha plus alpha? 2 alpha. What is beta plus beta? The same. As we use variables x, y, z, a, b, c, the same as we treat these unknown letters, the Greek letters as well, or symbols, whatever. Okay. It's just whenever we see alpha, beta, theta, omega, when we see these symbols, it normally refer to angles. Okay. That is where you'll see it most often. Okay. But if you find it in algebra, you use it. You calculate it as normal. You guys understand? As x times x is x squared. So alpha times alpha is alpha squared. As before, as normal. Okay, so it's just another variable to us. Right, you guys understand? So we say theta is equal to 30 degrees plus 69. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of your two interior opposite angles. Okay. And what is 30 plus 69? 99 degrees. So your theta angle is 99. Look at Q. Is that also the case of exterior angles equal to the sum of the two interior opposite? Yes. So why do we need this L2 here? No. Although it's on the diagram, we're not going to calculate it. Why? Because the question says I must calculate the unknown, the lowercase letters and the Greek letters. Not so. So because they didn't ask us with regards to L2, I'm not going to calculate it. Does it make sense? Alright, so what do we say? 115 degrees is equal to 70 degrees plus x. Why? Exterior angle of triangle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. They get over the equal sign. X is equal to 115 minus 70, which is 65. No? No, 45. 55. 45. Okay. Any confusion there? No? So that basically brings us to the end of page 30. Is that correct? Right, so I'm going to explain page 40 now and how it works. But we will do the recording in our next lesson. Okay.